In front of me I've got OPPO Reno 5 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning enter Google app, tap more, go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match and make sure that this function is enabled. Now go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 3 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 4 and a low of 1. And tomorrow, there will be showers.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.